hearing loss can be a gateway to many other comorbidities. We see that when an individual has hearing loss, we see a higher incidence of social isolation, a higher incidence of dementia and of Alzheimer's. A great deal of hearing loss is caused by diabetes. And so if an individual goes to their healthcare professional and they have diabetes, one of the things that should be evaluated also is their hearing. All these comorbidities line up also with a great deal of higher healthcare costs. And so as Amplifon Hearing Healthcare, one of the things that we're concerned about is the cost of healthcare. The earlier that we can detect hearing loss, the faster that we can remediate that hearing loss, the cost savings for the health plan is critical. We're an advocate for the health plans that we are working closely with, and we also are an advocate for the consumer. So we want to make sure that legislation is not only safe for the consumer, that will provide the best outcome for the consumer, but is also in the best interest of the consumer and of the healthcare industry. Due to legislation that was passed in 2017, the FDA is to design and implement a new category of hearing aids. And those hearing aids are to be sold over the counter without professional involvement for individuals that have perceived mild to moderate hearing loss. Because we want to make sure when these products become available for our patients that come into Amplifon Hearing Healthcare, if we're using an over-the-counter product, that they are safe and effective. The second area that we're spending a great deal of time on is telehealth. How can we deliver the services? How can we be great providers through Amplifon and utilize telehealth also? And so we're working with the government in many legislative activities to expand the role of telehealth. It does make Amplifon unique that we don't represent a specific health plan or that we don't represent a specific manufacturer. We do carry such a broad selection of devices, and we have over 5,000 providers within our network that can provide those services. Our goal at Amplifon is to provide easier access to hearing health care. And our second goal is to make it not only easily accessible, but also effective. Our ultimate success as a company is for an individual to be able to come into one of our providers through Amplifon Hearing Healthcare, to obtain services, and to be able to tell that provider, thank you, you've changed my life. You've made it so that I can once again be active, can be involved, and can live a healthy life. And that to us is the ultimate goal.